Good morning. The Salt River tubing, or Salt River, is going to open for water recreation on May 1st. And every summer, invariably, my office will get inundated with phone calls for DUIs and underage drinking from the Salt River tubing area. So if you're cited for minor in consumption, and just for this video, let's just talk about minor in consumption. What happens is the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office, they wait there at the Salt River. They'll do one of two things. They'll either have a boat and they'll go all around looking for people to be under 21 who look to be under 21, and they'll just stop them. And if they're displaying the signs and symptoms of alcoholic consumption, or even to have a possession of alcohol or beer in their tube, then they get cited for minor in consumption or minor in possession. The other thing that they do is they wait at the bottom of the river where everyone gets off to get back on the shuttle, the bus shuttle, to go back to the tubing sort of station. And it's ridiculous because they'll say that people are staggering or having a difficult time walking, but if anybody's ever been to the Salt River, they know that at the very bottom, even if for somebody that has not been drinking at all, it's very hard to walk. So they use these ridiculous ways of pulling people over, just to ask their identity, to ask how old they are, to see if they've been drinking, and then they issue them the citation for minor in consumption. So if you receive any citation at the Salt River, minor consumption, DUI, minor possession, anything else, your case is going to be assigned to the North Mesa Justice Court. And again, just for purposes of this video, let's just talk about minor in consumption. So we represent probably 25 to 50 people a year for minor in consumption just at the Salt River. Our office could not make this process any easier. We'll represent you from the first hearing all the way to the last hearing. Our representation includes getting the police report, meeting with the prosecutor, meeting with the judge, and ultimately trying to get a dismissal for you. We've done this thousands of times for minor in consumption. This is very second nature to us. I always suggest hire a lawyer for it. It's not a lot of money, especially to ensure that your rights are protected and that you're going to get the best possible outcome. But if you have any questions about a minor consumption that you got at the Salt River tubing, give me a call, 602-980-1987.